Today, I'm at the Voiding Warranties hydrogen testing facility to see if I can make balloons out of hydrogen. Woohoo! At Voiding Warranties, we don't lose our eyebrows often, but when we do, it's in a spectacular fashion. Alright, for this project you will need the appropriate safety gear, including gloves, possibly a face shield, and goggles. I'll leave that to your discretion. Now, let me explain what we're going to do. We have this bottle here, which has aluminum foil on the bottom. I've used it a couple times already, so it's kind of a mess. We have this bottle here, which has water in the bottom. This will be our bubbler. The bubbler's actually optional for this project. Bubbler does not go underneath the surface. All right, bad planning on my part. All right, let's fix this up. Put the appropriate level of water in here for the bubbler. Make a huge mess. All part of the show. Now the reaction vessel here, I have put aluminum foil pieces in. Actually, it's part of a roasting pan. And the bubbler keeps all the nasty stuff from coming out of the reaction vessel. And I'm gonna add the super secret chemical, and I'm not gonna tell you what it is, but you can probably figure out. Let's carefully add the super secret chemical. All right, I need one other thing for this, a pan to put this in because the reaction is exothermic and this heats up quite a bit. All right, let's see if it's going yet. No heat being generated, but we have lots of tiny bubbles. Don't worry, it'll get better. Tiny, tiny, tiny bubbles, tiny bubbles. It may take a few minutes for this thing to get started. All right, we're a few minutes in and this bottle's starting to warm up. The reaction should start happening a little bit faster now. I can even give it a little shake just to get it going better. Oh, there we go. All right, you saw the reaction start taking off with a little bit of agitation. Unfortunately, now it's gonna heat up. And I'm not comfortable with it heating up too fast. Look at that balloon. Actually, that is much more energetic than I've seen in the past, and I'm starting to worry. Huh. All right, I'm gonna vacate the Voiding Warranties hydrogen testing lab and back off quite a bit because this was way more of a reaction than I was expecting by far. Got balloon 2 filling up. All right, it's dying down. It's actually under control. I wasn't expecting it to get that energetic. Wondering if it was something I did or just as fast as it started reacting, it stopped reacting. I'm kind of wondering if the water that went in there played a part in the reaction. Maybe the solution was too strong as is. But we got 2 balloons out of the process, so I'll call that a win. Now I have my 2 super sketchy hydrogen balloons floating in air to prove they're hydrogen. If only there was another way to prove to you viewers at home that these are actually hydrogen and not just helium balloons I changed between takes. Oh wait, there is. And now, to prove that these balloons are actually made of hydrogen, we have a torch. Ha-ha! Hydrogen. And amazingly, I still have eyebrows. If you've liked this episode of Voiding Warranties, please click like. If you want to see more like it, click subscribe. And be sure and follow me on Voiding Warranties on Facebook.